To meet today's regulations and market demands, ships need to be greener, safer, smarter, more cost-effective, more connected, and more adaptable than ever before. This requires new functionalities to be added to what is already a highly complex product, and more parties to be involved in the design, manufacturing, and maintenance of the vessel. These parties are not always located near the main shipyard. Today, a typical shipbuilding environment includes one or more design offices, subcontractors, and partners scattered across several continents and time zones. Shipyards are also dealing with clients, class societies, and suppliers. Ensuring that the right information can be accessed in the right place at the right time is key to the shipyard's success. For this, shipyards need an integrated data management platform that holds up-to-date product data and can efficiently locate and distribute the information needed for product development, manufacturing decisions, class approval procedures, and risk mitigation. This platform, known as the Product Lifecycle Management or PLM system, acts as the backbone between disjointed software tools. It holds the digital twin of the vessel, a single source of truth which can be shared fully or partially with all parties involved, such as ship owners and operators, class societies, suppliers, co-makers, and repair yards. This way, clients and project partners can pull information as needed without worrying whether the data is accurate. Adopting an integrated approach to ship lifecycle management facilitates cross-team collaboration and compliance, ensures accurate multi-domain BOM and configuration management, efficient supply chain management, and robust change management. It also enables the capture and reuse of knowledge for the optimization of future projects. Finally, by leveraging IoT and a low-code application development platform in combination with a digital twin, shipyard employees with no software development experience can build customized apps to address specific business needs. For example, information can be extracted from various enterprise systems to create multi-domain dashboards that can further streamline operations and maximize productivity. Effective handling of product information and processes in a centralized PLM-based environment should span the full life cycle of the vessel, from inquiry to decommissioning. Only then can the complexity of the life cycle be truly managed, including all stages of design, engineering, manufacturing, operations, maintenance, and services. Bring together all vessel information in a robust, centralized data management system and take full control of the ship lifecycle with Siemens Digital Ship Lifecycle Management. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.